Welcome to the Walmart POLETECTOR and Bollard cover program packet link. Here you'll have access to all of your training videos, the measurement form completion, the POLETECTOR installation training, and POLETECTOR Bollard cover installation training. Here also is where you will see the link for measurement and quantity forms. First, just a note, and this is something that will be covered in the POLETECTOR installation training, but we want to bring your attention to it right now. You will need to measure all of the POLETECTOR bases. POLETECTORs cover bases with a circumference of up to 80 inches. Anything more than 80 inches and you will have to paint the base using Walmart specifications. To measure a base in question, we recommend using rope, a string, or a seamstress measuring kit. So you're already in step 1 with the measurement form completion. Here in training is also where you'll find the POLETECTOR installation training video, as well as the POSTCARD Bollard cover installation training video. Let's go to step 2, which is measurement and quantity form. On the left side, you're going to see click here to print the measuring guide and data collection tables. You're also going to see above this a large stop sign and in yellow print, do not email the forms. We want you to print out the forms to fill them out. However, we do not want you to email us those forms. Once you have filled out these forms, you will click on the right side, click here to submit measurement form data. One more time, do not email us the forms. Input the data using the link on the right. Okay, let's take a look at the measuring guide and data collection tables documents. The first thing we want you to notice in the upper right hand corner is the phone number and email to contact POLETECTOR. That number is Brad's number, and you will email us at walmartinfo@poletector.com for any questions. First, let's talk about the POLETECTOR light pole base measuring form. At the top, the store name, store number, contact name, contact number, and contact email. Now we need 3 pieces of information. First, we need to measure the circumference of the concrete base. Secondly, we need to determine the shape and size of the light pole. If it's round, we must measure its circumference. If it's square, we must measure each side's length. And lastly, we need to measure the height of the cement base. We must measure from the ground surface to the top of the anchor bolt cover. Number 4 is where all of this information goes. Also in this position will be the number of light pole bases that contain each of these sizes. The POSTCARD Bollard measuring form is a little simpler. Also at the top will be the store name, store number, contact name, contact number, and contact email. For the bollards, we only need 2 pieces of information. First, we must measure the circumference of the bollard, and we must measure the height of the bollard. As a reference, we're using bollards that do not have posts and bollards that have posts. Position 3 is where we will gather all the information, including the size, but also the quantity. Now you're going to see the POLETECTOR and Bollard measurement collection tables. These are pretty self-explanatory. You're going to input all of the data that you've collected in the field into these columns. If you're not sure what kind of data you should be collecting, please take a look at these forms and see the information that we require be submitted. Now that the forms have been filled out, you will go to the click here to submit measurement form data and upload all of your information. If you have any questions, please contact us.